Hi, I'm Enzo Bautista and I'm from Omoda Jayco, Pasig Branch. Guys, konting kaalaman lang po na lahat ng sasakyan natin from gasoline to electric car, lahat yan ay meron na tayong pyesa dito sa Pilipinas. So, we can guarantee you guys na if ever kailangan nyo ng parts and worry kayo about sa after sales, guys, wala na dapat kayong kabahan. Kasi unang-una, ang maganda kay Omoda Jayco is bago pa kami patayo ang dealer or bago ba itinayo ang dealership natin, meron ng pyesa dito sa Pilipinas. So we can guarantee you guys na pagdating sa after sales is maasahan nyo kami. Again, I'm Enzo from Omoda Jayco Pasig. So if you guys want to test drive our electric cars, all you have to do is just send me a message. Thank you so much. Kita kits! Hanapin niyo po ako, Enzo.